Yeah, I am Akshat Pathak. I completed my graduation from GSET in with Vallabh Vidyanagar Anand, and as mechanical engineer, I have secured an admission into NMIMS Mumbai his MBA program. Yes, before joining Endeavor, I worked for a firm. So my goal was I wanted to reach at a position where I can have a both view of the organization. So that for that I would have to pursue higher studies in management. So I dreamt of that I wanted to pursue MBA in one of the premier schools of the country. So that was my dream before joining Endeavor. Yeah, the things at Endeavor were very helpful. Like first of all, to start with, the live sessions which were very helpful. Like the teachers interacted with the students and cleared the concept there on, so that students can prepare after that. So live sessions were very helpful. Second thing, apart from the studies, the mentors were also very helpful. Like they provided you all the support that you needed. And thirdly, the Telegram group which helped me very much. Like if you have any doubt and there was no lecture schedule, you can shoot your doubt there and get it solved right then. So these three things were the highlight of what helped me in my preparation. For any strong foundation to build, the base should be stronger. So yes, so at Endeavor we started with the base modules and gradually progressed to advanced level. So which help to clear any particular concept thereon, so that if we face any such similar concept in the advanced level, we won't have any doubt. So those modules were very really helpful in the manner they were faced. The test series in particular were like they were all similar but had a different bit after each mock that I gave. Like although they were similar, but there was something different about each mock. So each mock was special, and so I gave around 20-25 mocks for only for CAT. So they were very helpful, and other exams were also very close proximity with the main exams that I give. So yeah, they proved to be very crucial for my preparation. After getting calls from various schools, the next thing I worried about was GDPA. But however, Endeavor smoothened that process, and they've conducted GDPA sessions regularly with the industrial specialists who gave us tips and various that helped us in the actual preparation, actual GDPA that we gave at various specific college. And they were also like structured in a way that they were specific to a particular college. Like so, if I'm appearing for a example, say X school, then the GDPA preparation would be according to that school. So it really helped in the original test. Yes, YouTube channel, YouTube videos which are very helpful. Various concepts are being discussed over there. Apart from that, weekly magazine which also comes on, and there was YouTube channel that was also very helpful for preparing for various entrance exams where GK was asked, and even for the interviews where you have to be aware about the current happenings and all that. So yeah, those were very helpful. And apart from YouTube, Telegram was also helpful. Firstly, never give up. Like there were instances when I thought of giving up, but now when I got secured admission into a good school, I realized that I thank myself for not giving up. Secondly, never doubt yourself. There will be things when things won't go your way, like you won't perform according to your expectation in some mocks. So at that point of time, just talk to your friends, talk to your mentors. Even the friends at Endeavor will help you out. Even the mentors are very helpful. So yeah, and third will be never stop dreaming. I'll miss about Endeavor will be the how we work, how Endeavor, how people and students at Endeavor work as a group. Like it taught me how a team working as a team is also important even in our individual endeavor.